Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the 7th edition of ETCIO BFSI Digital Conclave. Let me start by asking, how was your experience speaking on the panel today?
It was amazing, Shish, and great content, great panel of speakers, and amazing conversations. This is the way the industry is cheering progress and growth as we take the leapfrogging towards the next disruption.
Sure, ma'am. So, the theme is all things digital today. So, let me start by asking, what is ManipalCigna Health Insurance doing on the digital transformation side, and what are the key areas where digitalization is boosting the health insurance penetration in the country?
Sure. So, at the back of COVID, so to say, insurance was always a push product. It translated into a pull product because of the kind of awareness and so much happening during the COVID phase. Across the industry, there is a lot of tailwinds and a lot of push coming from the fact that healthcare infrastructure is being invested into, digital health mission and universal health coverage. These are the parameters and all the other factors with consumer awareness. Now, consumer is not comparing insurance product with another class of insurance product. It is comparing with the other service sector where you have 15 minutes delivery, split seconds of instant, kind of resolution and so on and so forth. From that standpoint, ManipalCigna has invested hugely in creating customized, small ticket size and personalized kind of products for our consumers. We've also innovated, backed by technology and a solid, transformation on service delivery through segmentation, personalizing care, trying and offering services, fitting the needs of the consumer. So we segment the consumers from a H&I perspective, people who are in a particular age band, and so on and so forth, and offer the service offerings as well as the service delivery accordingly.
Very well summed up. So I also wanted to ask you that while insurance has traditionally been a push product, do you see pull in the Indian market on the back of the innovation that is happening in the industry?
Absolutely, because gone are the days. Of course, India is still predominant sales happens through advisory sales, but now the trend is about direct to consumers. Lot of campaign marketing, properties as well investments into direct to consumers through our digital assets has been launched across the industry. We see digital sale going up and consumers trusting the insurers to really buying the insurance. And now, whether or not to buy insurance is no more a question. The question is how much and what kind of comprehensiveness of the product should be when they're buying insurance. So the awareness has increased, and with that, penetration is going to go up. But having said that, COVID has increased the awareness and healthcare infrastructure growth and so on and so forth. Countries, outlook and investing in the infrastructure, still the penetration remains to be a challenge. It is abysmally small. And there is a huge scope for us to continue to innovate and try and see how we can create simplified solutions, personalized experiences, and a seamless process to really service the consumers for us to get to that number.
Sure, ma'am. So it was earlier discussed in a few sessions that while the company have all the resources in hands, it is a saying that goes by that when you have a hammer, everything seems like a nail.
Mm-hmm.
So when you have all the resources for the innovation, how are insurance companies making sure that the compliance is done, the data is secure, everything is done in a good manner?
Sure. So, Shish, very, very, very interesting, phrase. And as we are growing and growing expansively as a country, as an insurance sector in BFSI, we are heavily regulated by the regulator. IRDAI has been propelling all the good, kind of initiatives in the interest of the consumer to ensure that the consumer's interest is protected, to ensure that data privacy and all the other aspects are kind of taken care of. One is around complying to those compliances which are of high quality, high benchmark. But internally also as ManipalCigna, we are bound by a huge amount of kind of efforts and outlook, because we are a very responsible corporate. The data that we are handling is PII, PHI, very, very sensitive information for our consumers. We are extremely sensitive in the way we are kind of creating robust, platform which is scalable, no downtime, no cyber security and any kind of threats, so to say. So we take complete responsibility of the data that we are creating for our consumers, and we continue to invest in that area. That is a very important focus area for us. I wouldn't say that we've done everything possible because, with the digitization happening and so much of transformation disruption happening, these threats are also going up. So we are continuously focusing on this area, and we hope to make a great stride of progress as we go along.
Well, always a pleasure talking to you.
Great
Thank you so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you
Hope
so
you
much.
enjoy the rest of
Thank
the
you.
evening.